We are continuing to work on the sample problems for section 6-2, and right now we're on exercise 26, and we're trying to find the area between 1.23 and 2.37. And 2.37. So this is another one where we have to look up two numbers, and remember the number in the table is always going to give us the area to the left. So let's start with the 2.37. 2.37 okay, gives us an area of 0.9911. Okay, and the other one's 1.23, so we want to go to 1.23, and I'm getting 0.8907. So, probability that Z is between these two . Actually, let me do the subtraction over here. I've got it lined up nice over here. We'll do the subtraction. 11 will be 4, and it'll be 0. 18 will be a 9. Actually, that's a 0. 9 minus 9, 9. Okay, so I'm getting 0.10. 0.1004. Yeah, 11 minus 7 be 4, and then 0 minus 0, then 9 minus 9, and 9 minus 8. Okay, so there's our answer to number 26. Number 30. This time we want between negative 0.6, 2, and positive 1.78. So that's the area we're looking for. So again, we're going to have to find the area for the larger one and then the area for the smaller one. Okay, so we're starting with 1.78. 1.78 is 0.9625. 0.9625. Area for negative 0.62, we've got to use the negative chart. Negative 0.62 is 0.2676. So again, we need to subtract these. 15, it would give us a 9. 11, take away 7 is 4. 15, take away 6 is 9. 8, take away 2 is 6. So I'm getting 0.6949. Okay, I think we can move on now to number 38. Do some different types. Assume that a randomly selected subject is given a bone density test. Again, they're normally distributed with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. In each case, draw a graph and find the bone density test score corresponding to the given information. Okay, in 38, we're to find P sub 5, which is the 5th percentile. That's the bone density score separating the bottom 5% from the top 95%. So the bottom 5% from the top 95%. We need to figure out what Z is. So that means we look this number, add 2 zeros to it, that number up in the negative z-score table. Okay, we want to look in the body of the table to get as close as we can to 0.0500. 0.0500. And there's an asterisk that tells us that that number is negative 1.645. Okay, and then in 42, what we want is find the critical z sub 0.01. Now remember back at number 4 we said that that notation represents a z-score that has area of alpha, which is the subscript to the right. So in this case, we're looking for an area of 0.01 to the right. That means the area to the left has to be 0.99, and using the table value, it would be 0.9900. And this one's going to be positive 0.99, I'm fighting with my glasses so I can see, 00. Okay, closest 0.9901, so we'll take 2.33. Okay, and our next one is z sub 0.03. 44. So this is 0.97 and 00. We want to look that up in the chart. Again, it's going to be a positive, so we want 0.9700 as close as we can get to that. Okay, we have 0.9699 is the closest one. So that is 1.88. Is what I found for 44.